Hi guys, in this module we are going to learn about metabolism. So let's get started. Metabolism is basically a process of whatever we eat, how it gets converted into us. Means whatever we eat, how it gives us energy and what happens to rest of it. And of course we don't keep on eating pizzas all the time. Instead of pizza, we eat this type of food. This is healthy diet. So we eat some carbohydrates, some calcium, some vitamins and minerals. Okay, balanced diet we eat. Now this balanced diet makes our body. Our body also is made from bones which require minerals, then muscles which require proteins, then skin and other organs which require fats. So like that our body is made from whatever we eat. Let's see how whatever we are eating gets converted into a form of our body. Yeah, again pizza example. So metabolism, we can break it into two parts. One is catabolism, another is anabolism. Okay. In catabolism, what happens is, let's say you are eating this big pizza. Inside your body, this pizza will break into small pieces. This is called catabolism, breaking of big things into small things. And after breaking, what the body will do? It will do anabolism, means it will synthesize new molecules which will become part of you. Did not understand? Let's see one more slide to try to understand. See, when we want to make dosa, this is how we take rice, dal, some another ingredients to make dosa. But as such we cannot make it a dosa, right? So we break them, we grind them, crush them and make something called dosa maav or dosa flour, right? Which looks something like this after crushing. So this process is called catabolism. Now we already have small broken pieces. So you can give the shape whatever you want to. So now we give the shape of a dosa. This process is called anabolism. All type of metabolism which require two of these processes. Catabolism, break big molecules into small and then change the form of those small molecules and use it to build up your own body. That is anabolism. This is how our digestive system looks like. We eat food here, then it reaches to our stomach. Okay. In this module, we are going to learn only about liver and this one, pancreas. It is extremely important. Okay. Why pancreas is important? It secretes one chemical which is called insulin. Let us see what this insulin is used for and how insulin helps us in digesting our food, in metabolizing our food. So going back to that same slide. Okay. In catabolism, first we had one big pizza piece which we ate. It got converted into small molecules which are a form of sugar. The name of that sugar molecule is glucose. Okay, it's just a name, but it gets converted into small sugar. Okay, then these small sugars, okay, they go to insulin. What insulin do for it? Let's see. Now insulin is the key which opens the lock of each and every cell of our body and tells to the sugar, go in, get stored there. Okay. Another thing is that glucose in our body, which is made from your pizza, is a liquid. It is like water. Okay. It is very difficult to store water. So this insulin holds this glucose, then it will become some another solid form which can be stored inside our body. Okay. Then it helps our body to store glucose in some form, from where whenever we require we will again unlock it and we will use that glucose to get energy. So we have understood that insulin is very, very important, because if insulin is not there, then how our body will be able to store the glucose, right? Now this insulin is extremely important for our body. Insulin is secreted by an organ known as pancreas. I already showed you in the previous slide. Now there can be two types of problems one person can have. Number one problem, maybe the pancreas, here yellow color pancreas, is not secreting enough amount of insulin. Then what will happen if insulin is not there? You ate pizza got broken into pieces, right? Those pieces became glucose, but how that glucose will get stored in our body? There is a problem, right? This type of problem is called type 1 diabetes, where our body is unable to store the sugar which is generated by eating food. Okay, the cure of this type of problem is we would have to take insulin injections, because there is a problem in secretion of insulin. Okay, these insulin injections which we are taking, they are artificially made. Now there can be one more type of problem with insulin, that is insulin is secreted by pancreas, it is there, but the body is unable to utilize that insulin. Now under what condition this happens? If some person keep on sleeping, or they do not do any exercise, they become fat, their body mass index is more. In those cases mostly they will become insulin resistance. Their body is unable to use that insulin which is already there. Okay, so this kind of problem, type 2 type of diabetes, it can be controlled if some people will adopt to healthy lifestyle, but if it keeps on increasing, then this type also they will have to take insulin injection. Okay, but we should not be scared from this diabetes disease. Okay, hopefully you understood a lot about metabolism today, kids. Remember, metabolism consists of catabolism and anabolism, and once we got the glucose, the sugar, our body has to store it. And one more thing, that is you eat more pizza. If you eat more pizza, okay, then you will become fat. Why? Because when you eat more pizza, then more sugar will get produced, then more sugar will get stored inside your body, and you will become fat. So you should control the amount of carbohydrates going in your body. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this module. Thank you.